Pulte Homes, our dedication to quality means that we strive to exceed homeowner expectation every step of the way. With over 65 years of experience, we have home building down to a science.
Professionally engineered concrete block wall construction, reinforced with concrete and steel rebar. Both field manager and municipality inspections verify foundation quality. A depressed slab around the perimeter of the foundation acts as a protective measure taken to help minimize the possibility of water intrusion. Professionally engineered roof trusses attached by hurricane straps anchored in concrete. Exterior wall finishes with drainage planes are installed to minimize the possibility of water intrusion, with drainage planes behind exterior wall finishes to help repel moisture away from your home. An underlayment is installed in locations on the roof where leaks are most likely to occur, acting as a barrier to help keep moisture from entering your home.
Our Pulte construction standards are set high to meet or exceed industry requirements. We also have independent auditors who regularly conduct inspections for verification and quality control.
At Pulte Homes, we won't just build you a new home, we'll also stand behind it with a warranty you can rely on. 10-year coverage on structural elements of the home. 5-year coverage on various types of water infiltration and internal leaks. 2-year coverage on the workability of plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and other mechanical systems. 1-year coverage on materials and workmanship, and this warranty is transferable. If you are ready to step up to the quality that comes standard with Pulte Homes, contact us today about getting started on your new home.